What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, and tonight is a soft opening for Ice Breaker. You may be asking yourself, wait, hasn't that ride been open for about a year plus? Indeed it has, but they have removed the comfort collars, and now we have a chance to ride with just a lap bar. Let's go try it out. Check it out. No more comfort collars, but we got a seat belt. There we go. We're in the station area. Soft opening for Ice Breaker with no more comfort collars.
To your left harness, face forward, close to your body. Ensure your legs are between you and feet are inside the train at all times. Hold on to your lap harness, face forward, and keep your back and head against. Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice. Thank you for riding Ice Breaker and enjoy the rest of your day here. Fully hold down on your left arm.
Alright, so here we are in the train. We have a seat belt.
Close to your body.
You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, it doesn't have to smack you in the face anymore.
Personal items do not interfere with the harness system.
Yep.
When the ride operator approaches, please raise your hand so they can check the harness for you. During your ride on Ice Breaker, keep your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train at all.
Alright, so this is a really weird feeling not having the comfort collar, and I will say getting into the train was a lot easier. It didn't like smack your face, you didn't have to lift it up over the head and then connect it with the lap bar. So far, I'm liking it. Seatbelt, it's got a lot of play to it, so you can actually be a larger rider or a smaller guest. It'll cinch down or loosen up. I like it. Clicky click.
Now sit down with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice.
Feels like a lot more airtime. Ejector! Wow! Wow, that's really good. All right, that was good. All right, so felt like a whole different ride, to be honest. A lot of airtime, and I was flying out of the seat. I think it's actually a better ride than when it originally opened. The fact that it's 48 inches now means younger kids can ride it. That was awesome.
Thank you for riding Ice Breaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.
Oh yeah, it is nighttime pink chicken time. And there they are. Sleepy, sleepy babies. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Ice Breaker reopening with no more comfort collars. It is a beautiful thing. The ride is running so much better, and I mean that. Lots of airtime. It's just phenomenal. It should have been that way from the very beginning. But of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Midway Mayhem. I'll see you out on Midway, guys. Bye.